everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. This is a Temu haul. I also have a $200 worth Temu haul, so I will link that video down below if you guys haven't seen it yet already. But today I am going to be doing this accessories and like random items from Temu's website, so I'm really excited to share those with you. Thank you so much to Temu for partnering with me on today's video. If you guys have never shopped Temu before, it's an online marketplace with competitively priced products that have so many items from fashion, beauty, home, crafts, like anything, you name it, you will find it over on Temu. Temu offers up to 90% off their entire website, which is already a really great steal with affordable and low prices. So definitely check them out over on Temu.com or download the Temu app for iOS and Android. I actually use the app all the time because I like to scroll on it. It's a lot easier when I'm passing time. So they also have more exclusive offers on the app. So if you haven't downloaded it, I definitely recommend that. Temu offers free shipping and free returns up to 90 days, as well as they accept all major credit cards and Afterpay type payment programs. So if you are interested in any of that information, it will all be listed over on Temu's website, so check them out. I do have a 30% off coupon code for your first purchase on Temu, so definitely check that out. It will be annotated here and listed down below in the description box. I'm also going to have a few of my exclusive offers for you guys listed down below because this is just a place of catching all the sales and finding the best deals for items over on Temu. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. So this first item is a gym bag, and I wanted to get a new gym bag because mine was getting like pretty worn, and I saw this one and it's absolutely perfect. So it is a beautiful black duffel bag. I love all my gym stuff to be black as well. It has two zipped compartments here at the top, which I really like, so you can kind of separate both sides of your gym bag, and it's really, really spacious. You have so much room, and then this one is kind of like a smaller section, but I really like that. And then you do get the strap that comes included. What I love most about this bag is the compartment where you can put your shoes down at the bottom and zip it back up. During the winter months, I always, wear winter boots to the gym, and then I put my gym shoes in here. So I just like to do that, and it just helps keep everything organized. This one is way more compartmentalized, which I like so much better, just because I like to make sure all my stuff is organized at the gym and I don't lose anything. And I carry quite a bit of stuff in my gym bag, so I am very excited to start using my new bag. It's so cute. It's really good quality, you guys, so definitely check it out. And I believe it came in other colors as well, so if you don't want black, they had like pink, I think red, a gray color. Any color that you want, I'm sure you can find it over on Temu. The next bag that I got is one that I think is absolutely adorable. It is so cute. It is this gorgeous little straw bag with the pearl details. So these are the pearls aligned all on the top bag. It's like a little handle. What I love the most is this pearl strap, which is removable. So if you wanted to carry it more as like a satchel bag, you could, or you can just wear it as is. Oh, as I mess up my hair. This bag is so, so cute, and this is the inside, so you can see it's just so cute, you guys. I love it. It has this little section in here with these two little pearl balls that you can go ahead and just close up. So if you don't want your bag to be like opened, it can close up. It is so, so cute. I love this bag. Like, hello, so adorable. Can't get enough. Like, this is the perfect summer bag. It's girly, and I love it. Moving on to the next item. This next item I really wanted to try. I stumbled across it and I was like, let me just give it a go. So I did get a ponytail hair extension, and I got this because I've been really liking like wearing my hair back in a ponytail, and I really like to just like kind of slick it back a little bit, and I've always just wanted my hair to be like longer in the ponytail. So I figured, you know what, why not just get a ponytail extension and rock it out, and that's exactly what I did. So this, you can see here, is separated into 3 pieces, so it's really, really long. This doesn't really match my hair. It's more of like it has like a red chocolatey tint to it, but I think we can work with it. So I got this one because it was sectioned into 3 pieces, and it was showing like you could do like the bubble braid style, which I love, and I think that's so cute. And then this little piece here is to wrap around the ponytail so that you don't see it. So I'm really excited to just like put my hair up in a sleek pony and try this out. I mainly wanted this, like, especially like in the summer when you want to wear your hair up but you like still want it to be like styled. I think this is going to be so cute. So it feels like pretty good quality. The hair actually is really thick, which I appreciate because I have thick hair and I cannot have like a thin ponytail because my hair is so thick already. So I'm excited to test that out. Follow me over on TikTok if you guys want to see me try it, because I definitely will make a TikTok on it. Okay, this next item I got is like a travel item, but also just a great place to store like everyday makeup. So this is a little black cosmetic bag. I love this because it was giving like Louis Vuitton vibes, but you know, on a budget. So I love this because the compartments in here are divided and separated so well. Like you can fit so many things here. They have like this little section here. You have this one here, and then this like middle part has also a zip that you can put stuff in. Then you have this side as well that has the same kind of like compartments. This is just such a great item to have to store all your makeup when you're traveling. So this is definitely a really good item to check out. I highly recommend checking out the travel section at Temu because I feel like they just have so many like good finds for travel stuff, and this is perfect. So I love this, and definitely gonna be using that every single time I travel for my makeup because it's just more compact and like sleek, and it's not so bulky. Okay, the next thing that I got is this little duster and sweeper broom set. So you just go ahead and assemble it together. It has like the side and like the little like squeegee thing. So this is gonna help like clean the kitchen floors and stuff like that. My mom really wanted me to get this for her, so I did. And yeah, so if you want to look at the home and like cleaning section, I would definitely check it out. The next little thing that I got, everything in this haul is so random, but I kind of was just trying to pick random things to show you guys. So the next thing I got is this butterfly pop socket. Loved the pop socket. I thought it was so cute. So I just thought it would be a really good pop socket to add to your phone. That's what it would look like. Right now I have Johnny Depp on mine, but this one is going to be added to another one of my phone cases, and it's so cute. Okay, just a few more items I have. The first thing is a bunch of these makeup sponges. You can never get enough makeup sponges. I always like go through mine so quickly, so I figured to pick up a 4-pack. I just got this really pretty pink and purple set. Love a good fresh beauty sponge, and I just think these are so pretty too. I love the pink and the white and the purple, so I picked those up, and I'm definitely gonna be in good use. The next item is this crystal hair remover. Now, my mom actually bought these a while ago off of Temu, and I was like, okay, I need to get my own. They remove your hair, you guys, so easy, so gently, pain-free. It exfoliates the skin, and you literally just take the little crystal, it's called a crystal hair removal. You literally just take the little crystal remover, this is what it looks like, and you literally just go over your area that you want to get rid of the hair, and it comes off and exfoliates your skin. You will have skin that feels like a baby's bottom. Like, it is so smooth and soft and exfoliated, and the hair is gone. And as you guys can see, it comes in different colors as well. So definitely pick them up. They're super inexpensive. I've seen websites charging upwards of $20 for these, when on Temu they're a couple dollars. So run over to Temu and grab these. You are going to love them this summer. It is this summer necessity everyone needs. So go grab it. Next few items are just some jewelry. So I did get these long gold sparkly earrings. I thought they were so cute online, so I wanted to pick them up. They are these really pretty long chandelier gold earrings. I feel like these are really trendy right now, and I love a good gaudy moment, so I picked these up. They come in gold and silver. They're so, so pretty. So these are just gonna sparkle in all the light, and I love these. They're so pretty. These next earrings are these little pretty like huggies. They have little hearts with rhinestones on them. I know that they're probably hard to see here, but they're just so tiny little hoops, which I think are so cute. I'm definitely going to be adding them to my stack. I think they're just so cute. They're little gold hearts with the rhinestones, and they have so many really cute like little huggy hoops and like sets of earrings. The jewelry on there is great. These are really lightweight, which you guys know I have to be careful with my ears because they are sensitive, so those ones feel like they're really lightweight. Last pair that I got, I've been wanting these for so long, so I'm finally glad that these again are little hoop huggies that have the rhinestones with the chain on them. So this is what they look like. So cute, and again, these are just gonna look so good when you like kind of add them to your stack. I just love jewelry. I love wearing a lot of jewelry. I love just stacking up my earrings as well. So these are going to just be everything, and they're super lightweight, so I'm excited to start wearing those and changing up my earring looks. So that is going to complete everything in my Temu haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would like to see me order next from Temu. Thank you so much to Temu for partnering with me on today's video. Everything I showed you in this video will be listed down below in the description box, as well as my 30% off coupon code will be annotated here and listed down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye!